What's happening? It's Christmas, bitch!
So we're building a gingerbread house and we're making some cookies for it right now. Let's go get them out of the oven.
Right.
Oh my god, they look so
Oh,
good.
they're steamy.
Oh my god.
Wow, the lighting is prime. Alright, let's get these bad boys to the
Table.
We have our other homemade goodies. We have some homemade gummy rings, all vegan. We have some homemade things and some homemade gumdrops. This is my grandmother's secret recipe for icing. And we have, of course, our cookies. Oh yeah, we also hand cooked these.
We 3D printed stands.
Yeah. Okay.
It said gently.
Nice. We
They're
love
pretty
perforation. I stand perforated cookies.
Yeah. Perforate me, daddy.
I told you to wait. What is that for? The caboose?
cart, yeah.
Oh, we'll make it work. Don't worry about it. Just leave it. I think it's fine. What? Look it. We'll put that on the bottom, and you won't even. We'll decorate it so well. Yeah, be careful with that.
This is the front of the train.
We actually speak in unison, like most twins. For some reason, it's really scary.
I kind of hate it.
This doesn't fit, I don't think, because this isn't supposed to be the back of the train, right? It's fine.
They're all the same.
They're definitely not, but okay.
I need this. Where's Santa? Oh, Santa. It's like my joke.
I need the other back. I feel like we have more pieces than we should.
Oh, I shouldn't have broken this, maybe.
No,
'cause
we
that was
had
part of-
to, yeah.
This might be the back of here. I thought there was a smokestack.
Look at the box. Oh, there's a roof
Oh.
to the train.
This is it.
Nice.
And that?
What is this then?
I swear to God, there's a chimney.
Oh no. And we're done. See y'all next week.
Oh yeah, so
I think we need a knife to kill ourselves.
I think we need a...
Whoa! Whoa! When did you open that? What's going on?
Oh, it smells so good. Oh.
Ow. No. Not the pieces that are connected by
We want icing in between them all, though. Right? Like that?
Can you even see that in the front though?
You don't need to, it's just for...
Then why would you put it in the back if they're connected by plastic? The icing isn't gonna do shit.
For views.
I hate this. I hate this so much.
Oh, that's good. Should I get anything?
I would start with like at least a 6-month therapy plan. See, everybody knows that icing actually doesn't do anything when you're trying to hold things together. Like, have any of y'all ever in your life successfully used icing to stick two things together? Does that say auto white balance? So see, go fix it.
No, I don't know how.
You don't know how to change the white balance?
It's fine now. It's already going.
Dude, what? Don't do that. Because we have the white icing over there to add details with after. I think we just left. Literally already glued
I
everything
know, but I
together.
just want to add some more. Why not? No?
I've got some reasons.
Why not do
I
this?
have some why nots. First of all, you see how it's all missing the
It is fine.
where it's supposed to go in,
Listen
right?
to it.
I'm just gonna keep quiet.
So,
It's actually so sturdy. Like fucking choo-choo, you know?
Erica, you were just talking shit about icing.
I know. I take it all back.
Erica, you forgot wheels.
I didn't put the wheels on yet, because you told me to stop.
Well, yeah, you're not letting me do anything. I'm the YouTube star.
When you...
This is how it works, right? Hey, I'm not here for the subscribers.
Dude, I just don't understand why you wouldn't do this with the white decoration icing after so it actually looks good.
Because there's not that much of that. And we're making a jizz tower. We're not family friendly on the channel.
My future employer is gonna see this.
No, they're not. No one's gonna see this.
Can I write on the back of the, like where no one will see it, I'm already a tracer?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
God, I'm gonna do that.
I can't believe I handmade gummies.
I know.
I'm like the Bon Appetit lady.
I'm just confused why you didn't film any of that.
Because
Don't put anything on Santa, please.
my subscribers couldn't keep up.
Ooh, T. She just wrecked you. Also, maybe change it from auto white balance.
Okay, to what? Hi, I went to school for film, and I don't know how to white balance. Try to decorate the other side while I'm over here.
Okay. Whatever makes you feel best.
Squirt me.
And that was the demonetized. Haha, just kidding. Imagine you making money off. You don't have to worry about us censoring ourselves so we don't get demonetized.
Because
we'll never get monetized. Other side. You fucking Neanderthal. Ah. Okay.
Give me more.
Where did you just put that? I just saw that happen and was like, what? Am I done now?
Nope, I need one more. Meditation. What do you have to open these like a freaking medicine?
Mm-hmm. What are you looking over there?
I don't know. I don't want scissors.
Hey y'all. Welcome to Upstate Gingerbread making.
You got your dip? You got your dip? Oh gosh.
I'll take it from here. Gamers, we need your help. Just send me your parents' credit
Wait.
card number.
Oh yeah, I'm not even looking.
It's a pretty simple task.
These? Like, do you want to eat these? Because to me, these don't look edible at all. Like, they probably shouldn't be consumed. Is the end of this just us eating everything?
Yeah, we gotta eat it.
We gotta eat it.
We gotta eat it.
I think I'm in over my head here. It's like, look at how much space just the word "I'm" is taking.
Yeah, I know you're not gonna be able to write that in icing back there.
You
got a boyfriend.
that he doesn't kiss ya. Mwah. He got skirt and hit the deck like Wiz Khalifa. You play with them balls like it's FIFA. There's also like the classics like eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimp
Dude,
are
that song was
pretty rich.
pre-TikTok.
I know.
Me and Liam used to listen to that.
Yeah, Liam's little brother.
Kids
Really
are
like
so
that song.
on it with
He
the
is
trends.
not a child.
Well, yeah, he's a kid compared to me.
I mean, he's like in high school though. Just feels weird.
Okay, I'm 22. High schoolers are children.
It literally just says I'm Trace on the side of this. I'm keeping it. I'm gonna throw up. Swear to God, I'm gonna yak.
Don't yak about this. It's not that funny.
I'm gonna just put a UEU. Please, I want to know if anybody watches this. Comment.
If anyone watches it, obviously someone's gonna watch it.
But like, if anyone's paying attention to this part, when you read the letters U W U, like the cute
I
face,
read it. I hear it.
What do you hear?
Ooh, you.
UEU. I read it as UEU, like UEU, UEU,
Like
cute
similar
little-
to the sound in that Mr. Treetop song. What is it? Rockin' Robin.
I don't hear it like that. I hear it as UEU, which doesn't make any sense. I haven't heard anybody else who's like, yeah, I hear it as UEU for sure. Look at that! Oh my god! That's
That was
so
good.
pretty. Hold on, I'm getting a close up of my you. You. I'm Trace. It doesn't even look. It looks like it says Tase. The R doesn't look good. Literally looks like two different people wrote this.
Who wants nothing?
Please, I just want to
I
die. Oh, Trace.
I hope my friend Trace watches this.
I was thinking about him too. I wonder if Trace will see this.
I don't think he watches my videos.
I like,
Dude, I think
conspiracy
so many
theory,
people-
nobody watches them.
I know, no one watches them, and I know it because
The view count
I
won't
can
go up.
see how many people watch it. I like that.
Thank you. Trace did it.
Trace.
There's only red ones left.
Wait, we're gonna put some up here. I think we can do like an alternating red gummy, blue guy. Yeah,
Well,
I'm
not
doing
even
great
you.
so
Wait,
far.
put the frosting down first. That's what I did for these.
Oh, is that what you're doing? I've been putting them on the candy.
You know what? Whatever feels right for you.
That frosting looks like it's doing a better job than the actual like.
Glue.
Wait, that's not blue.
Did you just eat that? Really not. Really cute. Loved every second of that. Look at this conductor. Dude.
Okay, pulling out
Dear
the-
David. This is the train of dead memes.
Make gloss.
So ugly.
Let's make gloss
Why
out of the
didn't we make
gummies.
gloss? Those are your good jeans.
I got green on my jean!
Shh. Our parents are sleeping.
My mom's asleep.
We live with our parents.
Beep 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 doo doo.
I could do the little alien that dances in the background. The like dun 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 dun. Is his name like Herbert or something, right? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Not at all.
Sure.
That kind of looks like a swastika.
Oh my god. Quick. Nobody panic, but also
Panic.
kind of panic. Is that better? It's like
What is it?
clearly a humanoid form. It's an alien.
Okay. Yeah. We're doing our damn thing. Beep beep. Okay, so the back does say
I'm
I'm Trace. Erica, those barely look like letters. You're making fun of me. This is quite the... Actually, the back looks cute, though, other than the words.
The front is so cute.
Dear David is straight creeping. Dude, he formed a face.
No.
Yeah. Dear David's haunting this shit.
Isn't my bow cute?
Oh my god, yeah.
It needs
On
a
my
little-
snow. We went polar... Whoa, I almost just straight set my hair on fire.
Dude.
Whoa.
You can blow that out, probably. Oh my god, stop. It's so cute.
Yeah. We've got Loss. We've got the alien meme. Howard. We've got some nonsense. Little elves, a dear David. And, oh, an ooey-oo. Can't forget the back. I'm Trace. Because she wanted to say I'm already Tracer. But of course that's too long to put on here.
Of course, it's definitely not possible.